Okay, so what I've done here on both of these panels to get this nice subtle curve that I have, I actually used a linear stretching die in the planishing hammer. And basically what this is doing is it's mainly stretching the material in two directions. So it's stretching it to get the curve this way, but not put a curve in it this way. So I used that die and went around the edge of the panel to create this nice sweeping curve around here, which pretty much closely matches the shape of the tank on the motorcycle. So what we're going to be doing now is to there's a little bit of oil on it from the hammer, but we're going to wipe this off. We'll kind of look over the curves here and make sure this is all looks nice and smooth, and then from there we'll continue to fit this panel close to the bike. And once we get it to where this panel sits on the side, we're going to end up I left a little bit of extra material around here. You can see a line where I drew the template. So we're going to end up tipping this flange over to create a nice clean break line that will then end up cutting the flange into the upper tank section and butt welding that seam there. So we're going to keep fitting this, and hopefully we can get it on there pretty quickly.